Gallagher here. If you want to grow your channel quick and easy, subscribe and smash that notification bell, because I share with you all the tips, tricks, and strategies that I use to grow this dead channel from 0 to thousands of subscribers and became a YouTube partner in just a matter of months. What's happening? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I personally upload my videos, all the settings that I use, some tips and tricks, and basically the same process that I go through every time I do this. And what's great is, if you've never uploaded a video at all, you're going to benefit from this because you're going to see how to do that. But even if you are already uploading videos to YouTube, you're definitely going to want to check this out, because you can actually see some of the results that just doing this can help you get. So for instance, if we go over to most viewed, this is a vidIQ tab, we're going to open this up. And so what vidIQ is doing is it's going to all of YouTube, and the default settings are, it's going to look at the views per hour for this week. So it's bringing me all the trending videos basically. But let's say we switch it to views. So now it's going to bring up total views. So it's basically telling us these are the views that are videos that were posted this week and with the most views. So this one right here, 44 million, 34 million. Let's go ahead and put the last 6 months. And then I'm going to show you something really cool and why it's important that you pay attention to this video. So for the past 6 months, Coco Melons has the top video, 482 million views. Now we can actually filter this, so we're looking for specific types of videos based on these keywords, these search terms. So let's watch what happens when I do this. If we type in, say, how to get views, okay, we're going to see something kind of neat here. And so for the past 6 months on all of YouTube, for the search term how to get views, anyone that's done that, my video has more views than any other YouTube video on the platform. So 123,000 views for this video, and that's right in my niche. So I've outranked all these other videos, or maybe not outranked, but I got more views to this video than any other YouTuber within my niche for the last 6 months. Let's go ahead and try something else. So obviously getting views is huge to YouTubers and huge to my niche. How about getting subscribers? A lot of people, I think one of the top search terms is getting how to get subscribers fast. So we type that in there. Again, for the last 6 months, another one of my videos have more outranked, or not be outranked, but it has more views than any other video put out by any other YouTuber, 246,000. So part of that, as you will see, is how I go about setting up my videos when I upload them. And so let's go ahead and check that out real quick. So we're going to get into this, and also I wanted to point out that this is part of the process to get your videos ranked and to get the views that you need. But if you want to see everything that I do to get my channel to grow as fast as it has, and how to get to the YouTube partnership program very, very quickly, I actually put together a video series, and I'll put a link in the description, where you can actually just watch over my shoulder, copy me, and use all my tactics to get yourself to YouTube partnership program as quickly as possible. Not only that, I teach you how I personally monetize my YouTube channel with multiple streams of automated income daily, just like this. Even if you're not a partner, you can do this. And all you have to do, again, is click the link in the description to that video series I put together. And if you do happen to come over here to the course page, you're gonna see something really cool. If you scroll down here, you're gonna see where other YouTubers that did follow this video series, they just watched over my shoulder, copied me, and set these income streams up for themselves, just like I did. And now they're sharing their results right here. So again, that link is in the description. All right, so now how do you upload a video? Well, again, even if you've never done this before, you're gonna benefit, or if you have been doing this for a while, you can still benefit. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, or the first thing I do, is I go up here and to this little video icon with the plus symbol, and I just click on that, and then I hit upload video, and we're off. Now we're just going to select a file. I'm just going to select a random file I have on my computer here. We'll just click this motivational video. I did a video on this video the other day, but this is just a random video I grabbed. Now the one thing you're going to notice here, we'll start off slowly, but it's going to put this title in here based on what your video is called, the video file. So we're going to change that here in a minute. But you can see this is already pre-populated. and with all just the necessities that I need to have in here. So I've got a copyright disclaimer. I've got the videos that I have music on them, and so in order to do that, I had to put this information in here to have the rights to use those songs, and so that's already in here for me, so I don't have to keep re-entering that information in there. Now, how to do that, how to pre-populate that, is super easy. I'm gonna show you how right now. All you're gonna do is go up here to your little icon button, and then you're gonna go to YouTube Studio and click on this, and then you're gonna go right down to Settings. You're gonna click on Settings. You're going to go to Upload Defaults, and when we open that up, you're going to see it's going to give the option to save a title. I don't know why you would do that, because, you know, unless you're going to post the same video over and over with the same title, that wouldn't make any sense. So, but that's in there. Maybe part of your title you'd want to save over and over, I'm not sure, but the description is what I use, and this is really the only thing I have that as far as presets or defaults, I don't really mess with these two. I've just left those the way they are. But the essentials, I have this all in here already, so I don't have to recreate it every time I upload a video. So again, you just go to the little icon up here on the right, you scroll down to the YouTube Studio, and then it's under Settings, and then Upload Defaults, okay? Then you just hit Save. I'm just gonna cancel out of this, and we'll go back to the upload page. So again, since I'm in the how to make money on YouTube or how to grow on YouTube niche, let's just say I'm going to use one of my typical titles or something related to how to get subscribers. So, so the first thing I would do is I would put in here, let's say I was going to do how to get subscribers. Well, actually, I would do it with capitals just to make it look more like a title, how to get subscribers on YouTube. All right, something like that. And then I always like to put in parentheses to help draw attention. So I might put in something like 2019. So it helps to make this stand out. But what you're going to notice is just by putting this title in, all sorts of stuff is happening down here, and this is through TubeBuddy. So you can download a free TubeBuddy extension. It's really easy to do. You just Google TubeBuddy. It's a Google extension, so it's approved by Google to do this, and you're going to see this stuff pop up down here. And what this is it's giving you all sorts of tags, recommended tags, and we're going to look at that in a second. But that is based on your title, so it's analyzing your title. And I spelled subscribers wrong. Let's see in there, yeah. And then it's going to look at the title, and you can see it's re-evaluating that now, and it's going to start producing all these tags for you to use, okay? And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll actually look at these and see if there's potentially a better title to go with. So I have how to get subscribers on YouTube. It's analyzing that, and right now it's giving me recommended tags based on relevance. So the most relevant tags, most relevant to the title I put in there. So how to get more subscribers on YouTube, get subscribers fast, how to get 1,000 subscribers, and look at all of them. Look how many there are. So you can just sit here if you want and go through here and maybe even get ideas for other topics to do, you know, depending on what type of video you're doing. And or you can just change a title. Like maybe I thought, let's see, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Oh, well, this is even a better title, let's say, and I would put that in there. And then all I'm going to do then is start clicking these, and it's going to automatically add them to the tag area. So I can just click on these however I want. I can just go through and just assume that the best ones or most relevant are right there at the top, which that's the case. The other thing you can do is go by score. So if I click on score, it's going to re-evaluate this and bring up different tags suggested based on their score. And you have to refresh actually to update this. So now it's telling me that the higher the number, the better they are to use, and maybe there's even a competition level that's a little bit better here as well. So it's giving me a really good score. So I could do that too. I could start adding these in, or I could leave it at score and filter those out as well. And that's typically what I'll do is I'll use the relevance, because I like to use the relevance at first, and I'll probably populate about half of the tags you'll see in here with relevance, and then I'll go back over and repopulate them with score, because I want to do a little mixture of both. And so you have 500 characters. It's keeping count of that right there. And so let's just go ahead and fill these in. And then I would, again, push it all the way to the maximum until I'm almost over. And of course, if I did go over, you can just, you know, X out on one of these that you didn't want. But that's pretty good. 475 characters, so I only have 25 left anyways. So now the next thing I would do is I go up here and I would start creating my title or the description. And what I do is the first thing is I copy this and I drop this right in at the top. And that's very important because when YouTube is analyzing your videos, it's going to look at the title to understand what your video is about, and then it's going to go into the description. And when you tell YouTube, hey, this is about how to get YouTube subscribers, or how to get subscribers on YouTube, I have YouTuber, how to get subscribers on YouTube 2019, that's going to look at the description, and it says the exact same thing over. So it's like, okay, this video is about this topic. So it just reinforces that this is what this video is about. And now what you can do, if you want, and what I would suggest, is you can actually, right here, there's a little copy, and I'm going to copy all the tags that I have in here. Now you could do this a couple ways. You can go in here, drop these in, and then start writing a description and try to get as many of these tags in there. So I could say something like, you know, if you are interested in how to get subscribers on YouTube, and then I would skip right to the end here and say, be sure to watch this video, okay, period. Now I would try to work another one in here, how to get subscribers on YouTube fast. And then I could say, you know, YouTubers are always interested, and you can kind of get the idea here. So you can go through here and do that, and create a description. And again, since you're getting a lot of these tags in here, it's going to help your video out in terms of getting it ranked for these different key phrases and key search terms. So now that this is completed, the next thing you want to do is, I always make sure it's just on public. Some people will put it unlisted or private. I just leave it on public, and they'll do that just they want to get their video uploaded, and they want to review it, make sure that it's good to go before they make it public. I'm usually okay with, you know, I do it right here. I make sure it looks good here. I leave it on public, not that big of a deal. That's up to you. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is scroll down here, and you're going to start wanting to use playlists. And so I've got a lot of stuff going on in here because I've got TubeBuddy and vidIQ, but yours might not be as cluttered, but you want to look for playlists. So I always add my videos to playlists. So again, if this was a video about how to get subscribers, I would click to add it to this playlist, how to get more subscribers, how to grow on YouTube, okay? And so if you didn't have a playlist yet, all you have to do is go down here and say create new playlist. And the reason why this is important is, as you can see, these are get more subscribers, grow on YouTube. These are, each one of these playlists I have set up so that they are related to that topic. So again, I'm telling YouTube that this video is about how to get subscribers. It's in the how to get subscribers or get more subscribers playlist. So I'm reinforcing that this video is about that topic. So it tells YouTube, hey, if somebody is going on YouTube and looking for how to grow on YouTube, this is a good playlist. These are good videos because, or at least these are videos that they should be looking for, because I'm telling YouTube that this is what this is about. The other thing that playlists do is it helps to keep your videos stringing together. So, you know, it'll show other related videos in the suggested results. So if they watch one of my videos, then another one of my videos, because they're in the same playlist, YouTube's going to say, hey, they're probably going to want to watch this video too because it's related. The YouTuber put them in the same playlist or under the same type of topic. So you're going to generate even more views to other videos. So it's going to create like a chain of videos. So that's very important. So again, I would, if you're in the Fortnite niche, gaming niche, and you had, you know, some type of Fortnite related video, then I would call the playlist something related to Fortnite. You know, how to unlock Fortnite skins or Fortnite gameplay. And then again, you're creating a chain of these videos in these playlists, and it's going to help you out. So always use playlists. They're really easy to do. As you can see, you just create one right there, and then just add more and more videos to that playlist. Then the next thing you can do is you go down here and you can set a thumbnail based on certain screenshots within that video. Now, if this is unlocked for you, I think when you're brand new, this might not be an option for you, but you can then install a custom thumbnail. And if you can do that, then I would suggest creating a custom thumbnail that really can attract attention. Otherwise, you're just stuck using one of these. And so that's something that you're going to want to do as soon as you see this available to you. So that's the last thing I would do on this page, but we're not done yet. One more thing I always do on all my videos is I add end screens. So leave everything here. Don't hit publish yet. We're going to open up another instance of YouTube, and I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so you can see I still have the tab here open. I haven't published this yet, so don't do that quite yet. Opened up another tab here, and then I'm going to go right back into YouTube Studio Beta, and I'm actually going to go to the older version. So I'm going to go ahead and click classic. And now I want to go to videos. So you can see right here that my video that I am in the process of uploading, it's not quite done yet, right? It's still a draft. I haven't published it. But I'm going to go edit this video here. And it's a little weird. I don't know why YouTube has it set up like this, but you can see these tabs are available on this screen. They're not available here. They've got advanced settings. You've got all these, but you want end screen. So let's go to end screens. And so here is where I put in the little videos that I suggest people look at the end, and a little subscribe button. And so usually you'll see something like this, right? But since this video isn't set up for that, this is just a random video I grabbed. You're not going to see that here. But what I'm going to do is go down here to this template that I always use, where they're 1, 2 over here, and then the subscribe button. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to hit select. All right, now it's going to give me the option to put in more videos at the end as thumbnails for people to watch. And I always click most recently uploaded. So I'll click that and I'll hit save. And so there it's showing, it's going to show the most recently uploaded video at the end of this video. As it plays out the last 20 some seconds, it's going to pop up, and then I'm going to click this one, double click, and I'm going to hit best for viewer, and I'm going to hit save. And then there's my subscribe button right there. Now the reason why I picked these two, most recently uploaded and best for viewer, is I want people, for one, if I have a video that I just uploaded, it's going to show up on all of my end screens now. And so that helps get the new video traction. So if anyone watches any of my videos, it's automatic. When it gets to the end, it's automatically going to show my most recent video uploaded. And so that's going to help get that video up and running and doing well. The next thing I do is I put best for viewer, and that's just to increase the likeliness of somebody clicking on either of these videos, because YouTube's going to analyze their search history and where they've been and what they've been watching, and it's going to look through all my video library, and it's going to say, oh, they're likely to be interested in this Gallagher video, and they're going to put that there. So either way, they're either going to click this because it's most likely going to be interested. They're going to be interested in that, or maybe they'll click this one if that video appeals to them. So either way, I'm increasing my views and increasing my AdSense revenue. And so I do the things I just showed you in every one of my video uploads. Now, once this was in place, I would hit save. And now I can go back over here and I can hit publish. I'm not going to do that because I don't want this video published on my channel, but that's it. I would publish it. So that is my process, and that is how I upload all my videos. And as you can see, it works. Now, in terms of what I pick to begin with and how I select the video topic, that's for another video, but this is how I set everything up when I upload my videos. So I hope that helps you out. Again, if you want to see everything that I do to help get my videos ranked and to become a YouTube partner as fast as I know of, again, that video series is in the description below. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.